Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code and Chill. In this video, we will be learning about Python indentation problems and how you can fix them easily by understanding tabs and spaces indentation in Python. So let's start this video. So for this video, I have two Python indent files where I have written some code earlier. This is a class named animal and it contains two methods. One is init method, which is initialization, and one is simply a hello spaces which prints the space message hello spaces. And I have made the object and I call this function. So this is indent.py, this is indent2.py. These two seems to be pretty similar to each other. They have similar initializations and just printing functions. One is printing tabs and another is printing space, and not much difference is there in this code. But in case of spaces and tabs, this is one crucial point to notice, that they are different in the approach of their indentation. So if you look in this first example, indent.py, you will find that these are the dots that actually make up the indentation. So if you go to the views, and this is Sublime Text that I'm using, if you go to the views and indentation, and then if you see the tab width, it's 4. So by default, Python will provide 4 dots as the indentation width, as you can see. So these are the 4 dots that Python actually provided. If I select over here, these are the 4 dots. So this is indentation by space. And if you go to the other file, here you will, if I select it, here you will find straight lines over here. These straight lines are actually indentation by tabs. So this is the major difference between indentation with dots, which is spaces, and indentation with tabs. So this is the main reason why actually we have the indentation error and inconsistent use of tab and spaces. So if, for example, I run this program indent.py, let me run it. So as you can see, the program ran completely fine and it printed hello spaces, which it should be printing hello spaces. And if we go to the second one and try running this one, this actually printed hello tabs. This print statement hello tabs was printed. So this also worked fine, indent2.py. So what if we actually copy one of the methods from the first one and just paste it over here in the second Python file over here, and let's just try calling this new function over here, ob1.hellospaces. So I am trying to call this new function that I've copied from this file. So let's just save it and try calling it. So as you can see, we got an error, tab error, inconsistent use of tabs and spaces in indentation. So this is what I was trying to explain to you, that if you go over here and see, these are the dots over here, this is the indentation by space. And if you see the above functions, this is straight line indentation by tabs. So there is a mismatch between the indentation types. So for this you have to use just consistent, you have to keep the code in a consistent way. Either it should be all tabs or all spaces. So the method that we can use to convert it to tabs is to select this function, go to views, go to indentation, and here you can use convert indentation to tabs. So now you can see this became a straight line. So if you select over the code, you will see everything is in a straight line. Means everything has a straight line which is indentation by tabs. So if I again run this program, so voila, it worked. This shows hello tabs, hello spaces. So now you have successfully converted the indentation patterns to all tabs. So if you want to keep the indentation using spaces, you can select this option, indent using spaces. If you select this option, then all your code will by default use spaces as an indentation. And if you deselect this option, then everything will be tab spaced. So by this method you can actually means figure out which kind of indentation you want to use and how you can fix the pesky indentation errors that come up while copying the codes and writing different functions. So I hope you find this video useful and learn something new. If you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.